I'm excited. Are you? Well, let's get started and kick off Christy's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches for March with a kit reveal. Yes, that's right. I've prepared it. Let's hope I get through it. Let's check it out. It's exciting. We're into round 20 of 30 days of sketches with Christy's Beautiful Life, and I'm preparing my kits. I am excited. I can't wait to get started. It's going to be a big month, and I want to share what I'm preparing, well, what I'm intending. Obviously, I'm not going to show you the sketches because that would be spoiling the fun, but I do have my page kits ready to go. So let's have a look. Here's day one. I'm not going to show you photos either. That's a spoiler. So I've got some wooden embellishments I'm going to include. I've got this little tag here. I've got all these scraps which are going to become a part of it. And then I have my white cardstock. Of course, I may pull in other stuff, but at the moment that's the core of day number one. Here is day number two. I'm using the beautiful new Western Girl from Scrapbook Fantasies for this one. I thought it was perfect. It's going to tie in nicely. Once again, not showing you photos. Spoiler alert. Look at these. Aren't they gorgeous? Stunning. So I'm going to use these papers on it. Look at that. Isn't that just beautiful? And then this one with all of that there. And some black cardstock. So that's day number two. So I'm going to slide that back in there. Ready to rock and roll. Can't wait to get into this month's one. There are some really, really cool sketches. And I really do need to get ahead because I've got a surprise coming up later in the month, and I'll let you know closer to the date. So I need to get a head start. That's kit 1 and 2. Alright, let's look at kit number 3. Oops! Sneak peek of a photo. Didn't need that to happen. Turn that over. Okay. So I'm going to pull out these ones. Put that to the side. Turn that photo over. Now I can show you. Okay. No photo. Just some bits and pieces that are going to go on it. This piece of paper here. Cool. Bit of a hint probably. And this cardstock. So that's number 3. Here's day number 4. Yep, day 4. And I'm including it with my 100 pattern paper challenge here because these are older papers which are really important. So I'm going to use this one, and this one, this one, and my cardstock. So that is day number 4. Very exciting. Wondering. I really will aim to get more done this time round because I need to load up some videos for you people and get to share some more creativity. And I really love 30 Days of Sketches because it really is a great way of getting creative in a short period of time, and it forces us to work faster, which is always a positive, not a negative. Okay, so here we come into day 5. Coming into day 5, and I've chosen some VB for day 5. You know, I'm loving Vicky Booten, and I'm going to utilize these papers on day 5. Day 6. Oh, I can't wait to do this. This is my sketch. Day 6, of course. Oh, sorry, photo. Day 6, getting started. Look at that, amazing. All different papers, all different mixes, all different colors. Obviously, by the amount of paper you can tell it's going to be a detailed sketch. Of course I would do a detailed sketch. I don't do anything less, do I? So that's day 5 and day 6. Ooh, it's getting very exciting. Can't believe I actually picked papers already and photos. Oh, that's a bonus. All I've got to do now is just create. Well, that shouldn't take too long if I sit and just go. And that may be the challenge leading in. And here we go. Oh, showing you photos again. And I've got photos galore showing. I don't want photos showing. Okay. So we're going to go into day 7 and 8. And I'm going to use some Scrapbook Fantasies again. I'm using the Sun Loving collection for this one. And these papers here, because these pages require lots of strips and pieces and bits and pieces, so these actual papers will be carried over as scraps into a couple of layouts that I'm preparing, so that's okay. And the cardstock, of course, which is always important, that will get carried over. So that's day number 7. Day number 8, once again I'm using Sun Lovin', and I have these papers here, and I will be using scraps from day 7 on 8. That's going to be important. I'll put that over to the side. And then I have this one here for day 9 and 10. So this is day 9, and I believe this is the Iron Crafter Challenge as well this month. So this will be tied in as 2. So it'll be tied for 2. That's okay, something to look forward to. And this one here, as I said, is the rest of that Sun Lovin' collection, and I'll be using the leftover pieces from pages 6 and 7 to build this one as well. So as you can see, lots of pages prepared, lots of thought, not really lots of thought, I'll tell a story if I tell you that. Lots of you know, ideas whirling. We'll see when we get closer to the day how that pans out. You know me, I'm likely to change my mind and go, no, I don't actually want to do that, I want to do something else. But you know, you never know. This is the intended plan. Let's hope that the intended plan turns out exactly as we want it to turn out, because, you know, true to history with me, chances are I'm likely to get in there and go, you know what, I want to change that. I've got a better idea. But we will see. Let's play, hey? Who wants to play along? Are you playing along with 30 Days Sketches in March? I can't wait to see what everybody does. I'm really excited to be included as one of the sketch artists. But don't forget to come along, check it out on the Facebook page, check it on the playlist down below that I'm going to have it all linked, and I'll see you there real soon. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out. See you real soon.